Unexpected expenses can disrupt even the most carefully planned budget. From car repairs to medical bills, these unforeseen costs can quickly derail your financial goals. Here's how you can adjust your budget to accommodate these unexpected events. 1. Assess the situation. Determine the cost. Understand the exact amount of the unexpected expense. Prioritize. Evaluate the urgency of the expense. Some, like medical emergencies, may require immediate attention. 2. Review your budget. Identify flexible areas. Look for categories where you can cut back temporarily, such as dining out, entertainment, or subscriptions. Re-evaluate priorities. Consider if there are any non-essential expenses you can postpone or eliminate. 3. Utilize savings. Emergency fund. If you have an emergency fund, this is its intended purpose. Draw from it to cover the unexpected expense. Other savings. If your emergency fund is insufficient, explore other savings accounts or investments. Consider additional income. If the expense is significant, think about taking on a temporary side hustle to earn a bit of extra income. As a last resort, you might explore borrowing options like a personal loan or a credit card. However, always be cautious of interest rates and repayment terms. Adjust your budget going forward. Reassess your emergency fund to ensure it's adequate to cover future unexpected expenses. Develop a contingency plan for how you will handle unexpected expenses in the future, such as increasing your emergency fund or automating savings. Here are some tips for handling unexpected expenses. Track your spending closely to identify areas where you can cut back. Don't hesitate to negotiate with service providers or creditors for lower rates or payment plans. Resist the temptation to make unnecessary purchases, especially during stressful times. And if you're struggling to manage your budget, consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. By following these steps and maintaining a flexible approach, you can effectively adjust your budget to accommodate unexpected expenses and stay on track with your financial goals.